Good morning, students. Today we will learn the topic what are the forms of issue of shares. We will continue the chapter number 6, volume 2, part A, company accounts. Now, a company can issue its shares by the private placement, by public subscription, and for consideration other than cash. What is private placement of the shares? Whenever the shares are issued to any private institute, like Reliance Group is there. Reliance Group is a company. It issued share to the ICICI Prudential or ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, or any other financial institute. Then it is known as the private placement of the share. Keep one thing in your mind. It is very important point, that is lock-in period. Whenever any company issue its shares privately to any financial institutes or a bank, then it has the lock-in period of 3 years. It means shareholder company is not allowed to transfer its shares or sell its shares up to the 3 years. Up to the 3 years, none of the company who purchase the share of the any company is not allowed to transfer or sell its shares. This is known as private placement. Next is public subscription. You will get the 8-mark question, a full-fledged question. I'll discuss this method to next. And public subscription, whenever the shares issued to the public, a complete procedure is there. We will discuss it later on. For consideration other than cash, the company also issued shares to vendors sometime, like suppose a company purchase any asset, and to his vendor, instead of providing the money as a consideration, the company provide the shares. So these kind of shares don't provide any consideration in cash. It is other than cash. In the form of asset they are getting the consideration. So when the share issued to vendors, it is known as share issued for consideration other than cash. And to promoters, promoters are the persons who promote the company, who started the company, for their services and goodwill. The share issued to them, and that is known as incorporation cost as well. And it is these kind of shares are issued in third category, that is for consideration other than cash. Now see how the public subscription is done. What is the procedure of the public subscription of the shares? See, there are 4 steps are to be taken. First of all, the company issued its prospectus. Suppose a company issued the share of rupees 100 each and total share capital is 1 lakh. Then company issue the prospectus first of all. Like in next year when you go to any institute, you have to fill the form first. You have to purchase a prospectus. When you got admission in the school, you purchase the prospectus first. The prospectus is a kind of booklet which contain the complete full-fledged knowledge about the institution or the organization. Moreover, an application form is also attached with it. And second point, receive application. The second step of the procedure is receive application. Company issue the prospectus to the public. Public purchase the prospectus, fill the application form and send it to the company. So second step, the company receive the applications along with the application money. I want to make you clear one thing, that 100 rupees are not called all together. These are called in installment. First of all, the shareholder has to pay the amount with the application. Let it be it is rupees 100. And second, if the shares company receive the shares, then the allotment letter is sent to them, that so and so number of shares are allotted to them, because sometime when the company get the more share application, then partial shares are to be issued or allotted to the persons. So make allotment is the third step, and the fourth step is the make calls. Let it be first application money received by all the shareholder of 1 lakh, then company allot shares and send them the letter to pay the allotment money, and after that calls are to be made. And it is not necessary to make all the calls and all this amount in 1 year. Up to allotment it is to be done in that particular accounting session, but calls can be called later on in the next accounting session as well. Briefly we will repeat it again, that what are the steps taken while at the time of public subscription of the shares. First of all, the issue prospectus, then receive application, then make allotment, and then make call money. Now what is the accounting treatment is to be done? Whenever the accounting treatment is to be done, keep one thing in your mind. One entry of receive, one entry of due is to be done. You have to do one entry of receive and one entry of due is to be done. First of all, share application money received. Company is receiving the money. Debit what comes in? Bank account debit. All the money will be received through DD or whether the check. So bank account debit, and what the company is getting as an income, its share application amount. So share application account will be credit. The entry will become bank account debit share application for the receive of application money. Next, application money due. Share application account debit to share capital account. First of all, application money received, so we have to pass the entry of received, then due. Ideally, first of all, the due entry is to be passed, then received. In case of allotment, the opposite to it, allotment money due first, share allotment account debit to share capital account. Then allotment money received, the entry will become bank account debit to share allotment. In case of call, the call money will be due, share first call account debit to share capital. At the time of receive, bank account debit to share first call. Keep one logic in your mind. Whenever the company is receiving whether the application money, whether the allotment, whether the call, the entry will become bank account debit always, because company is receiving the money to share application or share allotment or share calls. Whenever the entry of the due is to be done, share application debit, or whether the share allotment debit or share calls debit to share capital account. In this way you have to pass the 3 entries of receive and 3 entry of due. Make a chart of these all the 6 entries. These are very important and the base of the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.